What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove a fence post. If you guys are new to this channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to want to do is get a shovel, and we're going to want to dig all the way around the perimeter of our post. If you've got a pickaxe like this will be better. Alright, so if it's really stubborn and the ground is really dry, go ahead and put your hose on like a soaker right here. Go ahead and soak the ground. If you can, soak it overnight, and this thing will be like butter pulling it out. Alright, so if you've got concrete like this, you're going to want to dig around it and expose the concrete. Then get yourself your sledgehammer and go to town. Whew, so you just want to break up the concrete, and then we should be able to just pull it out. Best method is to wiggle it like an old tooth. And there it is. You are champion of the post. Holy cow, look at that little centipede. Alright guys, and that's how to take out a post. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe and click the bell so you can get all my new videos. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.